Happy New Year, everyone. We are so excited to kick off this 2023 boating season with the 60th Annual Vancouver Boat Show, which takes place soon on February 1st to 5th at BC Place and also on the water at Granville Island. The first in person Vancouver Boat Show in a few years, so we're all excited to see you all there. Both Pacific Yacht Systems and our sister company, Roton Industries, will share one giant booth this year. We'll feature all our major brands of navigation gear, S-bar heaters, water makers, inverter chargers, solar panels, and also some exciting do-it-yourself installation kits. We thought that since we haven't seen most of you face to face in a while, it would be nice sort of little promotion for us to celebrate this unique event of having a boat show after so many years, along with this special pricing on some of our favorite products. We're also, and this is really important, we're going to be extending our 2022 service and installation pricing for all of January this year before our prices go up in February. So sign up for your project now and get last year's rate before the rates are adjusted for 2023. It's our way of saying thank you and encouraging you to book your boat projects before the busy season is upon us, which is going to be mayhem as soon as February starts. I hope to see you there. And in the meantime, check out our website and YouTube channel for ideas. The links are below, and we look forward to seeing you all on the water. And if you want to book your project to get lower rates, reach out to solutions@pysystems.com, and the links are also down below. Happy New Year, everyone, and look forward to seeing you soon.